Welcome to Los Piros, Cochea. This property is near to Dolega and about 35 minutes from Boquete. Here you will find over 7 hectares of land, privacy, and infrastructure already in place, just for you to come and enjoy it. Today we are starting this tour from one of the most unique features of this property, its own landing strip. This property offers open pasture, maintained garden, or space for horses, cattle, or food production. Or simply a peaceful countryside lifestyle. One of the standouts of this property is the Papayal River. With 172 meters of river frontage. The property is also designed for independence with its own private well, UV filtration system, and a powerful solar system with extensive battery backup already in place. At the heart of the finca is a comfortable 3-bedroom, 2-bath home designed for practical everyday living and connected beautifully to the outdoors through its spacious veranda. Private, versatile, and truly unique, this is more than a home. It is a complete countryside retreat. You also have a workshop, a greenhouse with irrigation, with plenty of space to live, grow, work, and enjoy nature. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact Casa Solution today.